thought November would actually come. Like this election had no end to it and the issues would never be absolved. Like the wars, the economy, the environment, the candidates and their campaigns seemed to suspend in midair while the world was on edge. I've done enough talking though. Let's let them do it for a change.
Troops out now! Troops out now!
I think you're ready, and I think you're smart enough to know that it makes a difference.
Exciting for me because for me, that's what it's all about. It's about the future, about everybody being okay in a future that allows us to have a good life.
It's a larger expansion of an urban forest than anybody in history. We're going to plant 75,000 trees this year.
Bro, let me put it this way. It's gonna help them.
You know, it's time for a change. Just like if it would have been Hillary Clinton right now, I would have been going for Hillary because it's time for change. It's time, you know, we have to stop with these old fogies taking over president that don't know what's going on with the people of the day. I think Obama has more sense and more knowledge and more awareness of what's going on with our crowd today. He do come out to some rap songs. That's a plus. I don't give a
That sounds good to me. I'm an organizer with Kent State University.
Currently, I'm in Fort Collins at a Dead Prez show promoting the political activist organization Recreate 68.
And I have never seen so many people who are so ready for this administration to end.
You might be wondering, where are all the Republicans? Well, in Colorado, it was hard to say. For the first time in a few decades, this state went to the blue team, and it was obvious why. The presence on the ground here was consistently stronger than the red teams. And that's consistent with my coverage of Colorado this year. From Super Tuesday to the Democratic National Convention to Election Day. It was made up of music, protests, and other strange rumblings. I'm sad the party's over, but hey, there's always next weekend. So until then,
This is Trevor Martin coming at you from Colorado for Street Team 08.